Can you check it by refreshing? Maybe it was mistaken. Okay, sorry. It is coming right now. Let's check it again. Yes. So now, first you have to understand the problem, like what website that you have to build. First, you have to think about it. So I'm planning to, no, I'm not planning. I'm just asking to you. Okay. Which website we want to build right now? Which concept? Guys, you know already, this is not robotic session. You all are humans also. I'm also human. Okay. So I'm just chat application. Okay. Very good. Like that, just you can give your options in that chat. Sir, education web, educational web. Okay, good. Sarana Bhava and Parth given the chat application and Priya given the how to access for LFS portal. Priya, I'll give the last, in that last, I will give the all the things now. Okay, first listen the class. POS app, okay. Others, maps already there, no? See, don't think already existing applications. Okay, so don't think existing applications, no? Just think the good applications. So today's our concept is not only the building the AI tools, no. I mean, not only building applications with AI, including some good information also we are going to be complete this session today. About polytechnic education. Okay, then. So understood that. Now, so first, before going to the concept, so now I am asking the concept, but you are giving some answers, right? So if you want to create a real-time website, if you want to create a useful website, if you want to create a useful platform, which is can like you all know that the name called startups. What is a startup, guys? What is a startup? Can anybody tell me that what is the startup? New business, okay. It's okay, just it's a new business, okay. Then Inka, still start new things or a business, okay. New business, okay. Okay. I'm getting same answers. Anything that's new, okay. Newly established company, okay. From a new idea which doesn't exist. Parth, you given the right answer. Some initiatives to some things thing new. Pooja also given almost similar good answer. Business with own new ideas. Akash also given that same. Great. From which we earn money. We can earn money from anything, Nana. Without doing also we can earn money. Priya. Developing and producing innovative idea. Yes, Srimun also given the good idea. I mean good answer. New company establishment, join fresh, no. A small business, no. Work on new idea, yes. So exactly. Exactly. You all know that thing, but maybe some people don't know how you can give the answer. But the thing is, the startup is called new innovative idea, which is useful for the society. New innovative idea. That's called startup. Do you know that the government is giving tax exemption to the startups? Government is giving many benefits to the startups. Government is giving funding to the startups. Many people are waiting to give the crores of funding to the startups. If your company is still 20-30 years back company also, they are not willing. If you are the startup, the many people are waiting to give you the funding. Government is also ready to give the funding. Government is also ready to like give many benefits to you. Why everyone supporting startup? Why they need to support for the startup? What they are earning from the startups? And today and tomorrow, many engineers are just starting new businesses and with the new innovative ideas. Why they are starting that? Yes, improving economy, solving some problems. Not only the economy is one of the problem, Lakshmi. So it is also one of the problems. So for that, some startups are starting to improve the economy. Let us see what is the startup. I'll start with the Startup India site. Sorry, site. Okay. So here is the Startup India site, startupindia.gov.in. If you can see this, the government is showing startup. I mean, already given a site called Startup India. If you come into this, you can see that many things, the award functions for the startup. Yes. Okay. So award function the startup, communities for the startups, meetings for the startups, and you can able to see this startup state startup ranking, national startup awards, seed fund schemes, mark, SCO, Startup India, investor connector. Investors also connecting into these things. Okay, central government schemes, funding processes, and they are guiding here through this website. Government is guiding to the startups. Why they are guiding? Why this much of concentration they are giving on the startups? What they are earning? Here you can see that ideation, where the entrepreneurs has an interesting ideas and working on bringing to life. Online courses also there, marketing research reports, idea bank, blog post, validation, early traction, scaling. So why this much of efforts government is giving on that? Because just come here now, idea bank. Here you can see that the problems which is facing by the society. Here they mentioned the problems called, you can see this, prevent food waste in India, cleaner and safe railways, quality education, making India a disabled friendly nation, sports reforms. Okay, like this, traffic management, crop insurance, pollution control, mosquito diseases, women safety, waste management, crime control, water resources, hygiene, financial inclusions, skilled workforce by labor departments, inefficient public distribution systems, epidemic management, energy crisis. For each problem, again, they stated lot of problem statements also, like this. Okay, so these all are the problems which we are facing in India. And government is working on all of these things. If any company is working on these things, if any company is working on this, example, prevent food waste in India, prevent food waste in India. Okay, and quality education. Now, from the Brainovision, I am proudly saying that we are working on the quality education. Goal number 4 of Sustainable Development Goals. Okay, so do you know Sustainable Development Goals? What is Sustainable Development Goals? Here is the session. Sustainable Development Goals. Sustainable Development Goals are stated by United Nations. United Nations. These are the 17 goals which is given by United Nations, which is stated by United Nations. You can see this. Okay, so these are the 17 goals which is stated by United Nations. No poverty, zero hunger, good health and well-being, quality education, gender equality, clean water and sanitation, affordable and clean energy, decent work and economical growth, industry innovation and infrastructure, reduce inequalities, sustainable cities and communities, responsible consumption and production, climate action, life below water, life on land, peace, justice and strong institutions, partnership for the goals. Here you can see that the 17 goals are stated by United Nations, which is like this is the most important goals every citizen has to adapt. At least 2 to 4 goals. At least 2 to 4 goals. Every citizen has to adapt before 2030. Then only the society will be, the world will be sustained. Otherwise, in all the ways, the world will be collapsed. This is stated by United Nations by sitting all countries. They find out all the problems in the society, and finally they stated 17 solutions, 17 goals for citizens, all the citizens who are living in this world. Okay, so example, no poverty. Can you tell me any startup companies related to the food? Can you give me the chat box, mom? Can anyone tell me that? No, I'm saying that related to the zero hunger. Sorry, no poverty, not zero hunger. Any startups? Any startup is there for zero hunger in India? I'll tell that no in AP free food, not free food, Bhumika. Zero hunger is not. I mean, maybe many people will think that if it is the if it is the hunger problem that we need to feed. No, that's not only the solution. See, we have startups called Zomato, Swiggy's. These are the startups because they are solving a problem called zero hunger. How they are solving the problem? Okay, how they are solving the problem with their website. They have just a website called Zomato or Swiggy. With that website, they are sustaining this goal. Yes, because maybe like I'm the employee of the Brainovision, maybe my timings are morning 9:30 to evening 7:30. So maybe I need to come at 9:30 exactly to the office. Sometimes I'll miss my breakfast. As you are the students and faculties, maybe in spite of your busy schedule, maybe you can miss your breakfast in the morning. Maybe you can miss your lunch by your tight schedule. Maybe you can miss your dinner, maybe your parents or some other busy schedules. But still, you have money today and tomorrow. Everyone having some money at least to feed their stomach. But still, but the time depends on the time. Many people are getting hunger. Many people are becoming hunger. At least you can see that hunger index in India. You can see this. As per the India 2024 Global Hunger Index, 27.3 placing we are. So not 27.3 the score this is, and the countries rank 105th place we are in the one out of 127 countries. You can able to see these guys. So you should understand that how many people are with the hunger every day. This is not depends on money. This is depends on their time. 50 to 80% of the people inspired, I mean, with their busy schedule only, they are not taking the food on time and they are taking they are missing their lunch or breakfast or dinners. So this is also comes under hunger problem. Just a moment, guys. Please be in the line. Okay, guys, just a moment. I think some of your friends are suffering to, join the session. I just check the details why they are not joining. Just a moment. Be in the line. So, okay, guys, here you can see that. So, this is called hunger index. Because of these things, because of the time, many people are getting hunger, right? So, to solve this problem, the Zomato Swiggy sir came into the picture and they are helping to the society by giving the by giving the time to time services. Okay. Okay. So like that, you can also build a good website. You can also build a beautiful website, and you can also earn the money, and you can also help to the society like this. Okay. So if you have a planning, I mean, if you have a plan to start a website, just utilize that as a startup, and just come to this website, which is given by the India government, central government, startupindia.gov.in. And here you can see that the multiple many I mean many problems which is facing by the India, and you can choose any other, I mean any one in this, and you can work on it. Okay, example, I am choosing the idea from here for the quality education or making India a disabled friendly nation. Okay, sports reforms, traffic management, crop insurance, pollution control, muscular disease. So I'm choosing one application from this. I'm choosing one application from this. So prevent food waste in India, cleaner and safe railways. Which one we can take now? Hygiene, financial solutions, energy crisis, and cleaner. Okay, I'm choosing the quality education as I'm in the part of quality education in the Brainovision. I'm choosing the quality education. Hygiene somebody given already, but anyway, okay, fine. What is the problem they given? What is the government doing? What can you do? Okay, so I'm copying all this input from the site. Okay, I'm copying simply all this into the from the startup India geo.in. So I'm coming to the chat GPT, which is your favorite AI tool. Okay, I'm uh, pasting here all those things. I'm just giving the prompt like I'm going to I'm going to build an website to solve above problem as startup. So generate good prompt to build a great fully functioned website. So here I'm not asking code. Here I'm not asking the code. Here I'm just asking that prompt to prompt from the chat GPT. It will give very good prompt, and I'll show you the next steps. Please wait. Here you can see that it is generating complete prompt. So object is what they given: built a dynamic, scalable, and user-friendly edtech platform able to solve the challenges of quality education and employability in India by empowering students, teachers, and education institutions with modern learning tools, teacher training and accessible resources and regional languages, and etc. So key website features: landing page, student portal, teacher training hub, social impact projects, technology and innovation sectors, volunteer and partnership zone, government schemes, admin dashboard, mobile app integration, blog resources, and etc. Front end also something they given, back end they given, prompt summary they given. So now the complete website prompt was ready. Let's build this project. First, I'm copying this project. Okay. First, I'm copying all this prompt, and then I'm opening that called. I'm opening a platform called. Just a moment, now. I'll open from the good one. So here you can see this. The first will called bolt.new. Okay, bolt.new. I'll convey two to three best websites now here, which is the best. Okay, and this bolt.new is can be logged in by your GitHub. Okay, first you have to be acquainted with the GitHub. That would be more better. Okay, otherwise you can join with the Google also. But if you join with the GitHub, it may be like you have some good opportunities in that to deploy the session, to deploy the content easily. Okay, like this you can log in simply. So here, so I am pasting this complete content here. Okay, and start. You can see that code, how beautifully the entire code is getting generating here. Simply the many lots of files. Maybe you already seen this. So many people are already seen this bold.new also. I think so. Don't know maybe how many are seen or not. But here I can show you that how you can complete deploy these things also. See, everything without saying anything, like we just with a simple prompt, with a simple application. Now you're going to be startup in this. Okay, you can also start a simple startup with these things. Once it is generated, we can see that also we can go through with another website also called, like it is already generating, right? So without wasting any time, I'm going to be start with another website also. Parallelly, we can move both. So lovable.ai, it's called lovable.dev. Okay, lovable.dev. So here also I'm giving the same message. This is also logging by this one only, GitHub. It's already login from my side. Just you can log in with the GitHub. Okay, simply it will be login. And here you can see that I was given the prompt. And if you want any particular design, you can see this one. Otherwise, come down and click the generate option. Still in this bold.new, still it is getting generated. So you given just a prompt, but still it is generating thousands of lines without wasting your time. Okay, with that too, the beautiful and complete fully functioned website. Sorry, no. Audible. Now you are audible. I mean, now I'm audible. I think so, right? So great. Thank you so much, guys. Very great. I really you're seeing the session. Great. So it will take some time because you already see that here you can see that it was generating complete all the things like Tailwind CSS and JavaScript files, Tailwind configurations. Okay, and all the pages, multiple pages like student portal, teachers hub, between to teachers portal. Okay, an entire complete website it is developing in this. So in this, it was already generated in the lovable.a. You can see this in the lovable.a, how beautiful it was generated with the many columns. Okay. Maybe the bold.new can take some more time because it was the biggest website that here the generating it one. And but the lovable.a it is like very lovely, no? It will generate very faster and faster. You can able to see this how beautiful it was, and here also it will be generate a system an image. Otherwise we can upload the image, so you can able to see this. So here you will have that option called open in the new tab. Just click here and you can see that how your website look likes. Okay, and that was automatically given a name called Shiksha Jyoti India, the automated logo, the student portal, teachers hub, impact projects. So click on the student portal. Like yes, once you have to deploy, this will be enabled automatically. Teachers hub, impact projects, technology, partnership, mobile app, everything it was included. And start learning, watch demo, the statistics, and here you can see that transforming education national wide. So like some stats they given. If you have really things, you can utilize this one. Interactive impact map, comprehensive tech solutions. In this like the given the student learnings, the solutions what they given that they shown are here. Okay, transforming life across India, how they are doing that. So Shiksha Jyoti, this is the name and this is a startup called Shiksha Jyoti. Example like this given. If this is your startup, from this also you can start earning, and from this also you can empower the society, you can help the society, you can make a great India. Okay, like this, from idea to solution you can done within half an hour. It will take it doesn't take half an hour. I think it's more I mean not than 20 minutes, I think so. Am I right? It's not more than 20 minutes. Here we got a beautiful website with complete logo, text, all the things. So if you want to edit anything in this, simply you can come here and you can visit the code. You can see this one, switch code switching option. If you click here, the website will becomes, and if you click here, the code will be preview. The entire code you will get here, entire code. Okay, if you want to change anything into this, you can. TypeScript, JavaScript. In this will be there actually, and README file may here we will have that README.md. In this that you have that what are the things that was included, the directory of this one, the like URLs and what are the things that all the things that will be included here. You can see this. Understood? So if you want to edit anything in this, you can simply edit. Hope you understood that. And now we will open, just a moment guys. So my screen was closed, I know, but just a moment. So we'll start with the so let us see in the bolt also. Bolt still it is taking the bolt still taking much time, but it will be gives good impact. So whatever the thing that you so if you want to download this code, simply you can click here and you can check all this code also. Okay. And if you want to download this code, first you have to publish this one. Here you have this publish option, right? Just click on the publish. Shiksha Gaurav, so publish. So if you have a domain, directly you can connect your domain here and you can submit. And if possible, I try to show you that how you can download that one also. And here you can see that Siksha Jyoti India.love.app. Simply it is giving the extension, but your domain name it was already giving that. You can simply copy this one and you can check anywhere. You can share with anyone also. Okay, like this you can check. Directly it will be deployed in another platform. Automatically it will be shows you. I mean it will shows you the website. You can able to see this. If I share this link with you, you can also able to check this one. Just a minute, somebody asking this one in the chat box. Close for such development. Awesome. So what about mobile app development? Any AI for that? Yes, we have. So programming knowledge is must in build website. Yes, programming knowledge is not must, but it should be like at least you have to know some programming knowledge. So if your aim is building the website, the minimum programming knowledge should be there, because if you don't have minimum programming knowledge, you don't know what you have to change. Again, you have to assign for the developer. Okay, at least if you know something, example here the Shiksha Jyoti India was there. Okay, otherwise the quality education for every Indian children. So this one is there. Yeah, you can download this, Nana. I'll tell you that. So quality education for every Indian child. Here I don't want child. I want here every Indian. That's only. Or else every Indian citizen. Or else quality education for. So if you want to change that, simply you have to know this at least how the code should be there. So here in this, I can check that by coming into the code and I'm searching for that word called quality education for. Not that, sorry. So which file it is there? It is in the index, right? And so first we have to analyze that which code is this. Okay, where this code is there. Okay, so here I can see that the index page. Index is the first page, Nana. In this, they connected all those things. Okay, so all the PNGs and all the descriptions, like all the coding files was included in this. So wherever text is there, so at least for the single line, if you want to change this one, you have at least minimum knowledge of the coding, right? Yes, in components it will be there. So that's you have to know first. So that is the reason at least you should have minimum knowledge on the coding. And here you can see that the this was generated. This is also generated with very beautiful website. Anna. You can see this bold.new it was generated. So let us see that by opening this one into here. So click on the connect to the project once it is tapping on. Here you can see that Edu India, they given the name. If you want to change, you can also students, teachers, impacts, resources, contacts, and the Telugu. If you click on Telugu, most it will be changed if you given that extension for this. Okay. And if you click on Tamil, Hindi, you can change the platforms also. As that is in English. Okay. So resources. This is the separate page of resources. Not it is the single page. It is a multi-page option they given. Articles they given. You can see these videos, guidance, research, tools. The biggest website this was generated already. You can see this impacts, our impacts, what are our impacts, and state-wise analysis, which state is analyzed like this, they given here. Okay. And teacher, our training programs, webinars, my students, resources. You can see this website now. If directly you can start a company right now with this website. Students. So how many students there, like the mathematics courses, the science courses, this, like you can see this all English, Hindi or Telugu. Okay, you can see this also. And take a quiz, if you click on the quiz, with these things you can implement. And coming to the home, empowering quality education, start learning, it will be went to the student portal. Otherwise, you can come to the home again, become a teacher, it will be going to the teacher's portal. Otherwise, come to the home, our mission, features, that you can see the animations and everything, top impacts, reviews, start as join as a teacher, start as a student, like this. This was also given a beautiful website. And simply whatever that you want, you can change it. Okay. And if you want this entire code, simply you can click here on the export button. Here in the top, you can see this and click on the download. Click on the download. The entire project code will be saved. Now this code is yours. This is you are the owner for this code. You can deploy anywhere. And as of now, if you don't have any deployment platform, if you don't have any hosting, that I can guide you that how you can purchase the hosting. Okay, so here you can see that the purchasing platforms called Big Rock. You already listened that Hostinger, GoDaddy, Big Rock, like that. Many things we have. So I'll convey with the Big Rock. These are the digital platforms where you can get the hosting and domains. So for your business, if you want any domain, simply you can purchase from here. Simply you can purchase from here. Example, here we our domain is the Shiksha Jyoti India. Okay, so if you want a domain on the name of Shiksha Jyoti India, just come here in this Big Rock or Hostinger, GoDaddy, HostGator, like so on. So many websites are there to sell domains. So here you can come to the domains option, the top side, and click on the domain name registration. Okay, in this domain name registration, just search the domain what you want. Okay, I am searching with Shiksha Jyoti India. Let us search for the Shiksha Jyoti India. If it is available, it will show. Yes, it's available. Shikshajyoti.com. You can able to see that shikshajyoti.com. 89 rupees per year. From the second year onwards, it will take the 1500 rupees per month. 1429. But for this 89 rupees also, you have to purchase for the 3 years again. And you can see this shikshajyotiindia.me, shikshajyoti.com, india.com, shikshajyotiindia.org, shikshajyotiindia.link, shikshajyoti.india.store. But you can analyze that based on the extension .me, .com, .org, .link, .store, and etc. Based on these links, sir, which programming languages is needed for web designing? That completely depends on you, Nana. Janaka Datta, sorry. So that's completely depends on you. HTML, CSS, JavaScript also that you can use. That's fine. Maybe both took much time. Yes, exactly, Partha. So for front end, you can use HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and also you can use for React JS. Like that, we have many technologies. I'll show you that how you can know the other technologies also. I'll show you none of this way. Yeah, Python also you can backend for the backend purpose like MongoDB you can use, SQL, MySQL you can use, but based on the platform, based on the purpose. In the React JS and type Vue.js, Next.js, in this mode you can get more beautiful websites like this. Okay, in the HTML and CSS JavaScript, maybe you can't get this much of beautiful website, but you can get the website. Okay. Okay, guys, sorry for the late because our honorable guest was joined in the session. So like we'll shortly we will close the session and hand over to the sir. Okay. So where we stop? Yes, like this is a beautiful website was generated through this AI tools. Okay, and if you want to deploy this platform in the real time mode, you can choose like you can select your domain as per your requirement, as per our information. So like I'm thinking to deploy for Shiksha Jyoti India, right? So based on the extension .org, .link, .store. So why these extensions will be used? So tip to represent commercial purposes or like multinational purposes, many people will use for .com, for charity purposes, for organization purposes. Many people will use .org, any online thing .link, any store purpose .store, any like internet purpose .net, .in.net, network for any network things, and .co.in, .ai, that the new things that the .ai platforms that which you are using, Shiksha Jyoti India.ai, Shiksha Jyoti India.online, which is representing online platform. If you want to represent India, then you can Shiksha Jyoti.in also you can take like this. Shiksha India.tech, if it is a technical platform, .biz for the business platform, shop, club.com. Like these, you can have multiple I mean, many extensions, but the price will be different extension to extension. Okay. So based on your requirement, you can choose any of this one and simply how like the you can maybe you all know how you can purchase in the like Amazon or Flipkart, right? In the same way that you can purchase here. If you want, like I'm choosing this ORG and click on the add to cart. And here you can see this, the 1499.98 with the second domain protection was added. So you can simply go to the cart and you can first you have to log in into this website. Then you can automatically check out from the here with the GST under it was the 1769.67. This is for complete year, complete a year. Okay, simply you can purchase this one directly. Now you can click on the checkout and you can pay the money directly with their phone pay and all. So this thing is yours. This domain is yours. Nobody will get this domain in the society. So now, if you want hosting, hostings also you can check from these sites web hosting. So domain like you can come into the web hosting and here if you have the single website, simply you can choose Linux or Windows hostings and just click on this hostings and also okay. So in this platform that you can host, just click on this one and here you can see this India and USA. So Indian servers are fast and that too it is in India, right? So you can choose India servers and this is your monthly payment based on your requirement that you can take. The requirement in the sense here you can see this one website. If you have only one website, maybe you can get simply 149 or 249 rupees per month just bill. Okay, the space is unlimited, emails are there. So free hosting, free SSL, 1 year from free domain. So if you choose in this one, the domain name is also free for this. Domain name is also free for this. You don't need to purchase as like as before. So here you can see this here unlimited website they are showing that. Okay, this is the unlimited website hosting, but you have to purchase for 1 year directly. So like this you can purchase. This is also same. You can choose for 1 year, for 1 month, or so on. So if you choose for minimum 60 months, this will be the 249. Otherwise, the prices you can see this like this. Okay, and the free domain also that you can get with the required name, like Shiksha Jyoti India, so on so. .org like this. And finally, you can check out for the payment and you can get this one. So the final thing is the 14,000 something. So this is for completely 1 year. Or here we selected 60 months, right? So if I check for the 1 year, including the domain, just 5,000 rupees for your business. So like this, we can build and host. After this one, the thing is very simple, Nana. In the next sessions, maybe we will get we were I mean in LMS portal we are going to go we are going to be give you that portal also web development. So in that you will get that detailed things also. Otherwise, if you like soon we are going to be send you the full course of this also for how to deploy, how you can deploy, how you can give the real time hosting. This web development we are going to be give and full stack also. Minimum basic coding knowledge on the Marn and React. We are going to be launching new courses also. In that you can learn the basic knowledge and AI course also we are going to be initiate soon. So those also we will going to be send you. And in that maybe the as the ESTP participants, maybe you will get the good discount on that also, Nana. Soon we are going to be send you the coupon codes, maybe including your certificate or like maybe this information. You will get the coupon codes also for that courses. Don't worry about it. Okay. So here you can see that the final conclusion from the idea of startup India from idea from the startup India. Just a moment, guys. Many people given some answers, feedback links. Okay. Yeah, attendance link was enabled now. Please wait. Yes. It will open after 8 o'clock only, or 8 o'clock only, ma. Okay, fine. So we'll close the session just for 2 minutes. Later we can discuss all those things. So from Startup India side, we taken a problem. From that problem, we taken the prompt in the chat GPT. We taken the website prompt in the chat GPT. That prompt we given in the bold.ai and lovable.ai also. Like this, we have a lot of websites, a lot of AI websites, a lot of AI agents. We are going to be send you. Don't worry about it. In the LMS portal and our mostly in LinkedIn, we are going to be list out all the AI tools like which are there like this. Okay, so definitely you can get the good list of AI tools in this. I have the PPT bro. Yes, we'll send you. Definitely we'll share the PPT now. Okay, so like this we can generate with the we can generate simply many websites. Okay, hope everyone understood. And guys, if you have still any doubts, please let me know in the chat box right now. Now it is open to you, Nana. Please, if you have any doubts. LMS portal access, very good. Let me show you, ma. Otherwise, I'll share you the link. Yes, we already told you that we given in the Instagram page now already that direction and all. Just a moment, I'm sharing again. Guys, we given that guidance link here, ma. The access link. You can just check that. How you can access our LMS. We given that Instagram link, and now our guest is waiting in the session, Anna. Just a moment. I'm handovering mic to Miss. Yes, the mic to you, Anusha. Yes, Ms. Anusha, please, mic is over to you. Guys, so if you like, I'm not encouraging you, like, I'm not saying like that, no?
Yeah, I got it.
Yes. So regarding the certificates, we will give all the updates in the last end of the session. Now, please wait for some time, okay? Regarding certificates, course, and other your elements, but everything I'll guide you in the last one. Now, please wait.
A very good evening. Is my voice audible? May I know that?
Yes, it's audible.
Yeah, okay. So, as we come to the close of this 1 week national level workshop on application development with AI and essential skills, it is with great pride and satisfaction that we reflect on the incredible journey we have undertaken together. Organized by Brainovision Solutions India Private Limited in collaboration with AICTE and sponsored by over 125 esteemed engineering institutions. This workshop was a monumental step towards empowering the next generation of tech innovators. Over the past week, we have delved into the dynamic fields of application development, explored the transformative potential of artificial intelligence, and honored a range of essential technical and soft skills vital for today's digital world. Wishing everyone to continue success and learning. Thank you once again for being part of this transformative experience. About the host colleges, we have 125 plus prestigious colleges from all over the nation have become host for our national level ESTP, and their attributions and commendable commitment have led to the successful registration of 15,000 students. The collaborative efforts of the coordinators from the host colleges to empower and enrich the program has strengthened the whole program. About the chief guest. So, ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Balaprasad Pedagiri, sir, Chief Innovation Officer and Global Head Technology Advisor Services at Tata Consultancy Services, where he leads strategic technology initiatives and innovation across the globe. Boasts over 26 years of experience in enterprise architecture, performance engineering, and digital transformation. Sir serves as a chairman of IEEE Computer Society Hyderabad section, driving thought leadership and professional growth in areas like quantum computing, agile methodologies, and emerging tech. Passionately shares knowledge on platforms like IEEE Tools, and through his active presence online, connecting, mentoring, and inspiring the next generation of technologists. He stands as a bridge of industry and academia, blending decades of real world experience with a deep commitment to community learning and innovation. His insights into agile transformation, quantum information, and leadership in large scale digital projects offer a rare and invaluable perspective. Please join me in welcoming Mr. Balprasad Sir, our chief guest, visionary technology leader, and mentor extraordinary. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, Anisha. Thank you, Brainovision, for inviting me. It's an honor and it's a moment of pride and privilege for me to address this extraordinary gathering, a national collective of over 15,000 curious minds representing over 125 institutions across India. Remarkable. What we have witnessed over the past 4 days is not just a workshop, it's a moment, a spark that ignites a new generation of AI native learners. First of all, let me begin by congratulating every student, faculty member, and the organizer who made this workshop a grand success. In a world filled with noise, you can choose to learn, explore, and evolve. The decision alone sets you apart. Reflecting back on the entire journey of last 4 days, a journey that began with essential skills from smart searching and online safety to mastering productivity tools, and ended with an exploration of cutting edge AI platforms like ChatGPT, Napkin AI, Google AI Studio, Notebook LM, and there are many more. I believe the faculty was also touching upon the lovable and also on the bolt. So this workshop was not just about learning tools, it was about unlocking mindsets. You have truly gone from simply browsing the internet to browsing with intent. From typing questions into Google to commanding precision with search operators. From struggling with multitasking across tabs to becoming efficient digital navigators. From language barriers to breaking them down using technology like Google Translate. From writing an email to letting AI copilot do your communication. This was not like a typical series, what you normally say in the lectures. You did not just learn how to use the tools, to be very honest. You learn how to think digitally, act intelligently, and also imagine limitlessly. This itself reflects the way you try to use the AI for the future. So let me try to iterate some of the important transformation stories which happened across the world. This is not coming down from anywhere else, it is coming down very much within our region. And one of the young engineer from Srikakulam started using the chat GPT to prepare for mock interviews, generate business models, creating marketing content. Today, that student runs a startup in San Francisco building AI chatbots for mental health. It's a similar tool like a chat GPT, but what really changed the game is aspiration, intent, and courage. Similarly, I just wanted to give some more examples associated to one of the faculty, a story which recently evolved from Ranchi, was used was using napkin.ai to convert his lesson plan into a visually stunning pitch to raise funding for CSR partners. That faculty member told me about it took 3 days. Now it takes 15 minutes to do the same. Speed is the new scale under which we need to operate. And nobody has time. Similarly, there's an AI for that, building a rural employment portal. A group of BTech students from Punjab built a job listing portal for the rural workers, not for the IT workers, but for the rural workers. Using tools, they were able to discover, find their jobs. They were able to integrate their resume generations, voice to text interfaces, translation engines, all with free or low cost AI. So they did not wait for the placements. They created opportunities with the help of this particular tools, which is completely changing the game plan. So if you put down your industry lens, why these skills will define your career? Let me be very, very clear. The future you're preparing for is already here. AI is no longer just a topic in textbooks or research labs. It's in healthcare diagnosis, financial planning, climate modeling, semiconductor design, cybersecurity, smart manufacturing, and even in agriculture and education. You see, AI is becoming an integral part. So, what you have explored today or last 4 days is all about tools like ChatGPT, Google AI Studio, or Notebook LM, and so on. Or not just the tech toys, they are building blocks of tomorrow's enterprises and social impact ventures. There's an AI for that, as you discovered, but the true magic happens when there is a you for that AI. Let me also offer a different perspective as someone who worked with Fortune 500 clients in semiconductors, enterprise system software, and professional services customers. Today, employers are not just looking for coders or engineers, they are looking for creative problem solvers. Can you use AI to solve a local challenge? They are looking for digital navigators. Can you manage digital tools like Pro? Can you be a responsible innovators? Can you use AI ethically with empathy? These are the characteristics what industry is looking for. Even big firms, you take Microsoft, Google, Facebook, Amazon, or TCS, Wipro, Cognizant, Tech Mahindra, Accenture, they're all hiring not for your memory but for your agility. AI truly won't replace you, but someone using AI better than you might. That is a reality, and also your biggest opportunity for you. to really leap forward and take that direction. Deep diving into the future opportunities, what you can really witness, what you can do next is also equally important. What is the road ahead for us? To the students here, particularly, you are entering a world where AI is no longer an optional. It is an amplifier of your imagination, a companion to your creativity, and a catalyst for your growth. But tools alone don't define your success. It is how you think, how you question, and how you apply what you have learned that will differentiate you from others. I would definitely urge you to ask yourself few questions. Can I use ChatGPT not just to write an email but to draft my next internship pitch? Can I take an idea, sketch it out in napkin.ai and present it to a startup? Can I convert complex academic research into a podcast with Notebook LM and reach my peers globally? These tools are in your hands, and time is now to act on it. You should focus to become a creator, not just a consumer. Don't stop at using ChatGPT, build prompts, design plugins, explore AI models. Take what you have learned and create a voice enabled chatbot for your college help desk, a smart AI powered resume advisor for your peers, an automated lesson planner for your faculty. These are the thought process of a creator. Start participating in hackathons, open challenges, join national and global contexts. Platforms like GitHub, Kaggle, DevPost host umpteen number of challenges on AI. Form teams, build products, win visibility and recognition, and even funding if there is a possibility. You have a great opportunity to contribute to the open innovation and research which is happening across the world. Tools like Notebook LM are real perfect for your academic projects. Publish your findings, collaborate with students across the country. This is a global collaboration of 15,000 students who are coming together. Start researching, not just reading. But intent is you should upskill beyond your curriculum. Online platforms like Coursera, EDX, Google AI, plenty of free courses are available. Don't wait for curriculum changes. Design your own learning path because the amount of acceleration of learning which can happen through the channels are also huge. I just want to tell to the faculty members and the institutions, your responsibility does not stop here. You need to be building a future ready campus. So you are the true architects of the change. Thank you for your vision and commitment for letting your students join this kind of a workshop. The future of education lies in contextual learning, tech-enabled pedagogy, and interdisciplinary exposure, what you offer to your students. Bringing tools like Google AI Studio and ChatGPT into your lesson planning is not just modernization, it is a pedagogical innovation. That's a thought process under which I want you to evolve. You're not just teaching students to use technology, you're enabling them to become creators of the next wave of technology. While you teach them, ask them to be responsible, ask them to be empathetic, ask them to understand that every piece of information which AI generates, take it with a pinch of salt. Apply your creative questioning thinking before you consume. Incorporating your AI tools into lesson plans is no longer a luxury, it's an imperative. Encourage students to co create, launch innovation cells, host campus wide AI tool days. If we want to build future ready students, we must create future ready classrooms. That will really trigger the change and the movement under which we try to operate and excel. So, in every era, there comes a moment when the generation redefines what is possible. This is your moment, this is your time, guys. You have the tools, you have the network, you have the energy. What you do next will shape not just your career but the country's future. We Indians are focusing on Viksit Bharat, Make in India, Digital India. All lies in the hands of these young Indians who are the future, who are going to shape the world and shape the Indians' economy as well. It will realize the economy of $30 trillion by 2047. So in the digital world, skills you get is very important in the game. But curiosity, courage, and compassion, they make you a game changer. The future is not written yet, and that's your biggest opportunity. Use these tools, build with purpose, lead with empathy. Don't stop attending this workshop. Build on it, expand it, share it. Be the reason someone else dreams bigger. And remember, the most powerful app you will ever run is not on your laptop, not in the cloud. It's the one running right now in your mind. Thank you once again for this opportunity. I would only say that stay curious, stay bold, and above all, stay human in the age of AI. Thank you and best wishes. Over to you, Anisha.
A very heartfelt thank you to our chief guest, Mr. Balaprasad Peddagiri. We are truly honored and grateful to have had Mr. Balaprasad Peddagiri, Chief Innovation Officer at Global Head Technology Advisory Services at TCS, as our chief guest for today's event. Thank you, sir, for taking the time out of your incredible busy schedule to be with us. Your inspiring address to the students was nothing short of enlightening. Your words of innovation, technology, leadership, and the future of digital transformation have left a lasting impression on all of us. Your presence added immense value to the event, and we feel privileged to have had the opportunity to learn from your vast experience and vision. On behalf of the entire organizing team, faculty, and student community, thank you once again for your gracious presence and impactful message. We look forward to continue this association and drawing more inspiring from your journey. Now, I request everyone to kindly turn on their cameras for a group pic. I repeat, I request everyone to kindly turn on their cameras for a group pic. Others in the meeting, please turn on your cameras. Please enable the cameras. Ma'am, the cameras are disabled. Please enable it once.
Everybody, please turn on your cameras now so that we can take a group photo. Just a moment. Try to check this one. Yeah, right now you can able to check that. Yes, great.
Are we done with the group pic, sir?
Just a minute. 3 seconds. We have a lot of participants, right? So we'll take 3 more seconds. Yeah, we're done with the group photo.
Thank you, sir. So, now we have top 4 colleges leading the charge. So, top 1 college with 20,000 each, and the other top 3 colleges with 10,000 each. So let me read out the name of the colleges. Aditya University with 1,205 students. Pragati Engineering College with 687. Anjuman Institute of Technology and Management with 492, Rice Krishna Sai Gandhi Group of Institutions with 423 students. So we come to the end of the session. We express our deepest gratitude to our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Balaprasad Pedagiri sir, for gracing this event with his presence and delivering an inspiring address. Your valuable insights and expertise have undoubtedly added great value to the proceedings and left a lasting impression on all of us. To all the participants, we thank you sincerely for your enthusiastic engagement and active participation throughout the sessions. Your commitment to continuous learning and professional development is truly commendable and is what made this workshop so dynamic and meaningful. We extend our heartfelt appreciation to the 125 plus host colleges whose support, coordination, and collaboration played a pivotal role in the success of this event. Your partnership reflects the spirit of collective learning and unity in the academic community. A big thank you to our distinguished speakers, panelists, and resource persons who shared their knowledge so generously and helped in expanding our horizons. To our organizing team, who tireless efforts, attention to detail, and dedication behind the scenes made everything run seamless. From planning to execution, your commitment ensured the smooth conduct of the workshop. Last but not the least, we are grateful to all the technical teams and support staff, without whom this event wouldn't have been possible. As we conclude this workshop, let us carry forward the knowledge and connections we have gained and strive for excellence in our respective domains. Thank you all once again, wishing you continuous success and learning in your endeavors. Have a great learning. Thank you.
Okay, guys, so regarding the certificates, and here we have some doubts. So regarding certificates, you will get a link to your mail ID. So there you can search your, like I'll show you how you can search under. Just be in the line ma. And this will be also in the YouTube, right? So maybe other people can see that also. Okay. So here, as is with the Tech8 Bootcamp/certificate. Okay. In this site that you can get all the other certificates, simply you can paste your registered mail ID, which is given in your registration time. That mail ID that we have to give over here, then automatically you can click on the download certificate option. You can download your certificate. Okay, just give your registered mail ID only. Then only you will get your certificate here. The link, the link and the process, everything we will share to your mail ID. Don't worry about it. Okay. So we'll send you the process for the host college main coordinators also, ma. So your faculty can guide you, and we are going to be sharing the Telegram group, as well as we are going to be give you the guidance in the LinkedIn also, how you can get the certificates and all. This the screen recorded video we will give in the LinkedIn and Instagram also, and those we will give you and WhatsApp channel also will give you that. Okay. So just please, keep in touch with our social media and WhatsApp channel that you can get able to see that. And somebody asking that joining the courses. Yes, we are going soon. We are going to be send you a coupon code for you, for 3 to 4 courses only, limited. Okay. So for that courses, especially for essential skill training program ESTP, participants have 50% of discount almost. Okay, there you can learn full stack web development as well as AI tools courses and AI courses, AI mastery courses like that. We are preparing some good courses for you, mostly tomorrow you will get that coupon codes to your mail IDs. So please be in touch with your registered mail IDs also. How can we download the certificate? That's only the Vishal Verma. We already see showing that. And one of the course that we are now showing that, so who are interested in this course, the building adaptive systems AI, adaptive AI systems. Okay, so instead of doing all the things, you can build for just a moment, guys. Yes, so you can join for this course. This is in the online and offline both. Simply you can join for the online also. This is tomorrow only, and it's just basic 499 rupees and 699 rupees only. The ESTP students, ESTP participants who are attending that, they can take this 499 course only. For them, we will assign this premium course of 699 rupees one. Okay. So you can register now, and you can get it access by tomorrow. So if anybody want, you can learn. This is not a force. So here I'm sharing the link. This is one of the benefit to your as participants of ESTP. So we are sharing this one to here. So if anybody want to join, you can just take this course of online basic that we can give you the online premium course. Okay. Certificate link and everything we will send to your mail ID now. Still we are working on it. We will share to your mail ID. That's what don't do right now. We are working on it. Tomorrow we will send you. Okay. Tomorrow we will send you the certificate link and guidance and everything we will send you. Please don't try it right now. Now we are just disabled that side. Okay. Tomorrow mostly 11 a.m. we will be enabled and you will get all the mails and complete information regarding the certificates. Just keep in touch with your social media and there we will be updated before your mail. If you miss the mail also, you will get into the WhatsApp channel as well as Instagram and LinkedIn. Okay, so there we will be updated all these updates. Coupon, regarding coupon, somebody is asking regarding coupon. So tomorrow we will send you the coupons also for you. So with that coupon, you will get 50% of discount on any Brainovision's premium course, which is worth of like it's coupon worth of almost 10,000 plus Nana. So maybe if it is the course 20,000, you will get almost 5 to 10,000 only. If it is that 15,000 rupees of course, you will get simply for that 5,000 or 4,000 rupees only. Okay, if it is 5,000 rupees course, you will get for just 2 to 3,000 rupees like that. You will get coupon code to your mail address. Okay, as a benefit of essential skill training program, we are providing that Nana. Don't share for others. Okay, don't share with others. So we are sending especially for ESTP participants. Tomorrow you will get that mail. Okay. Yeah, feedback link was already enabled. Please check it, please. Thank you so much, Sriman. LMS portal main purpose is to recheck these things, Nana, Venkatesh. So you can able to see all of the sessions into this LMS portal for reference, as well as we are going to be upload entire PPTs, PDFs into that one. Yeah, recorded ones you will get in the LMS portal also, and also you will get into the Brainovision's YouTube channel. Yes, you will get certificate, Mr. Praveen Kumar Garu. You will get the certificate, no problem. Just listen that class and give you the feedback. That's enough. That's the reason only we are providing that LMS portal. If anybody missing that, there they can see there. Okay. So hope everyone enjoyed. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for joining the session. So we are closing the session now. Still, if you have any doubts, you can we will keep you all the details in the WhatsApp channel and LinkedIn also. Yes, we have cybersecurity course also, ma. Shortly, Mahesh Reddy will send you that. Don't worry. Tomorrow 11 a.m. we will get the certificates. Yes, and for the host colleges, please, we are requesting you, dear sirs and madams. So many colleges not updated your host college certificate templates. Please update as soon as possible by today. Otherwise, we are going to merge all your student certificates into the Brainovision, because if you updated the logos and signatures, that we can able to give you on your name. Okay, please. Hope you are understood that. Please complete as soon as possible by today's night, that we are able to give with your college name and logos. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks for joining, everyone. Bye bye. See you soon. Signing off. Anand Swami, Brainovision India Private Limited.